Having an eating window of at least 12 hours between dinner and breakfast could be the key to living a longer and healthier life. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, we've been told. However, does the time you eat breakfast matter in determining how long you live? Some experts think so. Not only will changing the time you eat breakfast boost longevity, it could also minimize your risk of getting diseases such as diabetes and heart diseases. Experts propose that eating breakfast around 11 a.m. is the one simple change you can make to your lifestyle that could prolong your life. To give our system a rest, try and leave 16 hours overnight for fasting, and then eat within an 8-hour period. The idea of having an eating window between meals is consistent with intermittent fasting. Professor Tim Spector argues that it is best to postpone breakfast to help shorten the eating period and give the body time to fast during the night.